Alright, and for our last part, we're going to be reflecting over lines that are not x-axis and y-axis. So we're going to apply the same understanding I showed you over here, where the distance from the pre-image to the line of reflection will be the same as the distance from the line of reflection to the new image. Right, so reflecting the image over x equals -1. So let me remind us that when we have a line x equals -1, this should give us a vertical line at x equals -1. So x equals -1, -1 right here, and this is going to be my line of reflection. Go ahead and mark your line and label it. That helps me see that you know that you drew the right line. If not, it'll be a little embarrassing. So to apply the reflection over the line of x equals -1, we're going to count from our dot to our line. So this here is 1 dot, so that means that our b prime will be here. And here is a distance of 2, 1, 2. So that means a prime will be 1, 2 right here. That looks pretty good. All right, and I will help you with number 6. I'll draw the line for you, and then you do the reflection. So reflecting number 6 over the line y equals 4. So since this is a y equal, this is a horizontal line at y equals 4. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me change colors. 4. I guess I could do this for us since this is a horizontal line. And since this x is already on the line of reflection, that means when I reflect it, it doesn't go anywhere. So x prime is also right here. Now for z, it's a distance of 1. So z to here is 1. So I'm going to reflect it over here as z prime. And then y is also a distance of 1. I'll put it over here as y prime. All right, and here's your new image. Let's redraw that. Not any better. Like that. Not bad, looks pretty good. All right, go ahead and draw your next 2 lines, or your next 2 shapes. Don't forget to draw the line of reflection first, and then do your transformation. And then we're going to jump down here to writing the rule of reflection. Again, check your answers with the ones on the board. We're down here, we're going to write the rule of reflection that you see. So this one is pretty much finding the midpoint, like visually finding the midpoint between the 2 shapes, and then writing the line that fits that line of reflection, writing the equation for the line of reflection. All right, so if r and r prime is there, I know the midpoint. It's a point in the middle. It's going to be right here, right? This is a distance of 2. This is a distance of 2. Or if you want, you could go, oh, this is a distance of 4. And the middle will be right here. And if we do the same thing here, from here to here will be a lot. That's going to be 10. And half of 10 is here, right? And now I'm starting to see that this line is at here, 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 here. And this is the x-axis. Or you can go y equals 0, because that's what the x-axis is that y equals 0. All right, let's try one more time. Let's go to a little bit of a harder one. Let's do this one. All right, number 11. So again, applying our understanding of midpoint to reflections, we are going to be finding the middle between the image and the pre-image. So here's the image, here's the pre-image. This is a distance of 4. The midpoint of 4 is at 2. And same thing over here, midpoint of 2, distance of 2, that means midpoint's just 1 distance. And then here is actually at 0. So now you're trying to see where the line of reflection is. And since this is a horizontal line, this would be written using the equation y equals, go ahead and tell me what this equation be? Y equals -3. Good job. All right, go ahead and try number 9 and 10 and check your answers with the ones on the board. Thank you.